Welcome to another installment of Goodbye or Goodbye, where we try to find the truth behind the watches we love oh so much. Are they a good purchase, or are we kicking them to the curb? Well, today we're talking Rolex. Now, if the year were 2021 and you asked me, hey time teller, what's the watch that signifies Rolex? I would tell you with confidence it's none other than the white dial ceramic Daytona. That apparently was just the watch to have around the pandemic. I mean, the prices were crazy volatile. It blew past 62 grand and then it came crashing down to 25 grand, which is still substantially more than the retail price of 13,750. But a lot of people made a ton of money flipping that watch, and then alternatively, a lot of people lost a ton of money holding onto that watch, purchasing it at its peak. Now, in 2024, what's the watch that signifies Rolex? I think it's a Submariner, believe it or not. I think it's the Submariner Starbucks, specifically the 126610 LV. This is the 41mm green Cerachrome bezel, and this has that caliber 3235 with the 70-hour power reserve. So is this watch in 2024 a good buy, or are we saying once and for all, goodbye? Let's check it out. I think there's a few things we have to take into consideration when we're assessing this watch. First being the color. Okay, green is a weird color when it comes to Rolex. It seems like when they release a watch that has green on the dial, it has kind of an underwhelming, lackluster initial impression, and then as time goes on, everyone wants one. We saw that with the Hulk. We even saw that with the Air King, believe it or not. It had green font on the dial. Everyone hated that watch, and then people they're like, oh my god, that was so underrated. What happened to it? Why are the prices going up? Well, that's still somewhat attainable, believe it or not. But we're definitely seeing that now with this mini bubble happening to this Starbucks. Now, it has a retail price of $10,250, but you're not going to find one retail, okay? You're going to find them on average around $16,000, which is like a 50% premium. And when you consider the fact that I think there was some initial apprehension, not only due to the color, but to the new case size, 41mm, people didn't know how they would wear, but now everyone loves the 41mm. Everyone loves green on their Rolex. Are you really willing to pay 50% more just to secure that watch that should be kind of an entry level to that Rolex catalog? I don't know. It's not a limited edition piece. There's nothing supremely special about it. It's a great Submariner. In fact, that's probably one of the only modern 41 mils that I would buy from Rolex, but I don't know if I'd pay that premium. So I'm going to go ahead and say straight up, just for that reason, goodbye. We're kicking it to the curb. Let me know what you think. I will see you tomorrow.